Hey guys, it's Annabelle. Welcome back to another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today's going to be a very exciting video. If you've been subscribed for a while now, you definitely know the drill by now, but it's the beginning of a new month, so happy August. And you guys can see that my room is a little bit of a disaster, which calls for a cleaning video. My room is so kind of not gross. It's been okay recently, but she could use a deep clean. Not to mention, I'm leaving to go out of town tomorrow for a while, and I would love nothing more than to come home to a clean room. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and follow my Instagram and my TikTok, which will be linked down below. I'm so excited for my trip coming up tomorrow. I'm definitely going to be vlogging it and getting some really good content for you guys, so you don't want to miss out on my other social channels. I am going to fully wash my sheets, including my comforter. I need to like kind of organize my closet because I have shoes everywhere. I have a ton of clothes on my couch. Probably gonna wash the couch cover too, and then, you know, wipe down surfaces, vacuum. You guys know the drill. So if you've never deep cleaned your room like this, I highly suggest it. It literally makes me feel so productive, but also so prepared for the new month. And it is August now, which is so weird. I can't believe summer flew by so quick, but school's starting soon too, so this would be a good idea to clean your room and just get organized for back to school. For those that are new here, in my cleaning videos, I always tell you guys to put this on your laptop, your phone, your iPad, your iPod, your TV, throw it on any device and sit it up so you can watch me clean. That'll motivate you to clean, and we can just clean our rooms together and get organized together. So yeah, I'm rambling on, but it's time to clean my room. She needs it a lot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, first things first, I want to do a little overview so you guys can see what my room looks like now. So we'll do a little before, and then I just have like the most random stuff. My bag, like literally so random. My desk is actually looking pretty good. There's just some dust that needs to go. And then a random corner, like literally Doritos. Why do I have a bag of Doritos right there? My nightstand, my sheets, my ring light, my other nightstand, my dog bowl for Red. And then we have just like, it's literally just the most random stuff. My couch is full of clean clothes that I have to put away. And then these clothes fell off the side of my couch, but these are clothes that I'm getting rid of. Like some of it's summer stuff, and then others like this coat, like this jacket right here. That is like a little camo jacket for the fall or the winter, but I need to put them on my Depop. And then I was gonna get fresh flowers, but then decided against it because I'm going out of town. We'll get fresh flowers when I get back, because I want to do a college week in my life too, by the way, since I'm going back to school. I want to go through this and wipe down all the surfaces, because I realized that when I put it together a few days ago, I never wiped down the surfaces before I put stuff on top of it. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, we just have some cleaning to do. There's a lot of random stuff on my floor, like particles that need to be vacuumed, plus Red is always shedding. I have a golden retriever, so he's always dropping some hair in my room, so we're gonna clean that up too with the vacuum. Let's get into it. I think we're gonna start off with my sheets. That's the first thing I always love to do, because I can just throw my sheets right into the washer, and by the time I'm done with my room, they're clean and ready to throw back on my bed. So it is time. Okay, so my sheets are finally done. I'm just waiting for my duvet. When I threw them in the wash, I had to go like run some errands, so that's why they're already done, if you're a little confused. But I was just thinking about this because I got a comment on one of my recent cleaning videos, and a lot of people are like, your room is not even messy, like LOL. I think every cleaning video will kind of vary. The messiness of my room will depend on, I guess, not like what part of my life I'm in, but it's not always going to be super messy. It's more so the organizing and like wiping down surfaces that I'm focusing on, because dust buildup like really stresses me out. I can't do it. The main purpose of cleaning my room plus organizing and just feeling like everything's in its proper place for the new week or the new month or whatever. So just wanted to clarify that, because there were some comments that were like, your room's not even messy. Like, my room at the beginning of this video wasn't messy, but it still needed to be cleaned up. But now that the sheets are done, I'm gonna put them on my bed, and the clothes are off my couch. I just need to take this off my couch because I think we're gonna wash it, unfortunately. It's literally gonna be the worst thing ever. I hate washing the cover of this couch. It's so painful. I need to put this book up. Red is literally lying on the ground, and all of my stuff is on the ground too. Red. Okay guys, I literally just threw everything that was on the ground randomly in my room on my couch. Red is literally still laying here. I have a mirror and some makeup that I still need to pick up, but I think I'm gonna vacuum, throw the sheets on my bed. The lighting outside is being so weird. It like keeps getting dark in here, but yeah, I'm gonna vacuum and throw this in the wash. You guys, I literally wish I was lying when I said that I was casually like cleaning my room and lightning like literally came through my window. Not actually, it didn't come through my window, but it was storming so bad we just had to go downstairs and like unplug everything. Little summer storm finally over. I'm gonna continue with cleaning my room. Okay, so I just vacuumed my room, and now I'm gonna start wiping down all the surfaces to get all the dust off of everything. You guys, I just washed my belt bag from Lulu, and I'm so happy I did. I was like nervous too, but it had like so many little stains on it, and it got them all out. But I'm gonna let it air dry. What? Oh my gosh, what's going on? Okay, you guys, we finally have clean sheets on the bed, and it looks and smells amazing. I'm so happy with how it turned out because I actually used a different detergent than I normally used. I think I showed you guys, I used the Tyler Candles Diva detergent, and you only need like 2 caps full. and I kid you guys not, it literally makes it smell so good. It's literally so, I can't even think of the word for it right now, but it's just so rich that the smell stays for so long, and it just smells amazing. Keeps my sheets smelling fantastic. So love that. Go get you some. I'll honestly link it for you guys below so you can find it. My room feels so clean now. It feels so good, except for all the stuff on my couch. And I still have my little couch cover in the dryer right now. I think I told you guys at the beginning of this video that I was going out of town tomorrow, which is the 6th. I literally leave tomorrow to go out of town. It's a one-way ticket and I don't know when I'm coming back. But I'll be back in time because I'm starting school again. Surprise. I'm starting my classes again in college because I took some time off. But I think that's the reason I'm gonna end this video, because I leave tomorrow. It's literally like 8:30 and I haven't even packed yet. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration to clean your room, but I'm gonna start packing. That'll be a whole separate vlog that I'll do for you guys and show you guys the packing process. And I can't wait for my Florida content. I'm so excited and I hope you guys are pumped too. This is like my last Florida, not last Florida trip, but my last like summer content trip until fall content is in full bloom. Because I feel like it'll be literally in full bloom when I get back. I'll have to change my outfits over there. But yeah, I'm excited. I hope that you guys are too. Be sure to subscribe and follow my Instagram and my TikTok if you're not already. And join the fam. Join the ham fam. I haven't said that in so long. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. And stay positive. And for my OGs, keep smiling, sunshine. Oh my god, my neck is so red. I like itched it, but... Love y'all. I'll see you in the next vlog. Mwah. Red says to clean your room.